Want to fix Faceit login problem? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back to competitive gaming. Let's dive in. First things first, Faceit login issues usually stem from incorrect credentials, browser data, or temporary server problems. Now, the easiest fix is to double-check your username and password. Ensure you're typing them correctly, paying attention to case sensitivity. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This removes any outdated or corrupted data that might be interfering with the login process. Go to your browser settings, find Privacy and Security, and clear browse data for all time. You'll also want to try using a different web browser, e.g. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or a different device, e.g. your phone, to log in. This helps determine if the issue is specific to your current setup. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily. These can sometimes interfere with Faceit's security and login systems. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable. Finally, if you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link on the Faceit login page to reset it. If the problem persists after trying all these steps, check the official Faceit status page for any server outages or maintenance. If Faceit servers are down, you'll just have to wait. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more competitive gaming tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.